Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best innovations for your home. Today, we're taking a close look at what might just be the best light-up address sign for houses, the Nazuwke solar address sign. If you've ever had delivery drivers or guests struggle to find your home at night, this product could be the simple, stylish solution you need. The Nazuwke solar address sign combines thoughtful design with practical functionality. It features three beautiful lighting modes: warm white at 2700K, daylight white at 4000K, and cold white at 6500K. This means you can customize the glow to match your home's aesthetic, whether you prefer a cozy amber tone or a crisp modern white. The light itself projects through a hollowed-out design at the bottom, creating an elegant illuminated pattern on your wall or ground that really stands out after dark. Installation is incredibly versatile. You can mount it on your wall or stake it into the ground using the included poles. And you can choose the height by combining 1, 2, or all 3 poles. The upgraded ground spikes give extra stability, making it ideal for a variety of settings like your front yard, driveway, garden, or mailbox area. Setup only takes a few minutes, and everything you need comes right in the box, including 3 sets of numbers from 0 to 9, a set of letters from A to Z, and even blank stickers for customization. Durability is another standout feature. The sign is made from premium ABS and PS plastic and carries an IP65 waterproof rating. That means it's built to handle the elements: rain, snow, frost, or summer heat. The lighting remains bright and visible, ensuring that your house number is always easy to spot, whether it's for visitors, emergency responders, or delivery services. At the heart of this address sign is its solar technology. It uses a high-quality monocrystalline silicon solar panel that achieves up to 23.5% energy conversion efficiency. The sloped design helps prevent water accumulation and optimizes sunlight absorption. Once fully charged with about 5 to 6 hours of sunlight, the built-in battery powers your sign for up to 20 hours of continuous illumination. It's completely automatic too, turning on at dusk and off at dawn, so there's no need to remember switches or timers. Finally, the Nazuwke solar address sign doesn't just serve a purpose, it adds style. Its modern and minimal design complements any type of home, from traditional cottages to sleek contemporary facades. The customizable stickers let you make it uniquely yours, and the glowing numbers add an elegant touch to your exterior decor. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient, and beautifully designed illuminated address sign, the Nazuwke solar address sign stands out as one of the best options on the market. It's practical, weather-resistant, and effortlessly enhances your home's nighttime visibility and curb appeal. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more product reviews, and check out the link in the description to learn more about the Nazuwke solar address sign.